Is the Play Store missing from your Android device, leaving you stranded without access to millions of apps? First, let's rule out a simple oversight check if the Play Store has been accidentally disabled. Head into your device's settings, usually found by swiping down from the top of your screen or by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer. Scroll down and find Apps or Application Manager. From there, you'll see a list of all your installed applications. Look for Google Play Store. If you find it, tap on it. If there's an Enable button, that means it was disabled. Simply tap Enable to bring it back. Next, we need to ensure your device is certified by Google, as this is often a requirement for the Play Store to function correctly. Sometimes, especially with devices from less common manufacturers or those that have been significantly modified, Google certification might be missing. You can usually check this by going back to Settings, then looking for About Phone or Device Information. Within that menu, you might find a section related to Google Play Protect certification. If it's not certified, this could be the cause. If the Play Store is still absent, a more advanced solution involves finding and reinstalling the Play Store application via an APK file. You'll need to use a web browser on your computer or phone to download the latest Google Play Store app file from a reputable source. Once downloaded, you'll need to locate the APK file in your phone's file manager and tap on it to begin the installation. You might need to enable installation from unknown sources in your security settings. For this to work, follow the on-screen prompts to install the Play Store. With these steps, you should be able to restore the Google Play Store to your device and get back to discovering amazing apps. Happy downloading!